Amazon is great for you. It will make you money. It will enable you to build a bigger business than you've ever thought of before. So get started now. Jump on Amazon. Do it now.
The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell.
Never sold anything online before. I feel like I can actually get started and do it.
Product ideas, yeah, I've got many product ideas out of it. Alex has been able to show us how to define and redefine what products sell the best.
Alex is friendly, he's outgoing, he answers everything. He doesn't put you off about anything. Yeah, he's really good.
Listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? Are you looking for advice or some training on setting up your Amazon business? Maybe you've been thinking about starting an Amazon business for a while, and the number one thing holding you back is you don't know the first steps. Maybe you're looking for product ideas. Maybe you're not too sure how to go about listing it on Amazon. Maybe you don't even know how to go about finding hot products or even suppliers on Alibaba, how to find good quality products, good quality suppliers, all right? So we find hot products in the room. We look at suppliers. We actually find suppliers in the room, all right? So make sure you bring a computer. We list products on Amazon in the room. So we actually do the entire thing at the 2-day training.
It's the first time I've met Alex face to face, and he came across as very much the way it is online, very heartwarming. He wants to be there for you, I get that. He's not just come to my seminars and you'll never see me. No, it's very much you'll meet me face to face. Whatever I'm telling you online is what I'll be telling you in person.
I'd recommend this conference for anyone that's really considering the online environment. One of the things that really impresses is the way that they've taught us not only the sales side, but also how to source the products, and that's why I was attracted to the course in the first place. So anyone that's thinking of selling products online, this course would actually be beneficial.